Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to promote your website, how to get traffic to your website, a lot of ways that you can get traffic to your website. Now the first thing is you can add your website link to your Facebook. You go to your Facebook. Once you go to your Facebook, add your website link to it. So whenever anybody wanted to do anything, you just go to your website directly. Automatically you have promote your website and you have get a traffic. Another way is you can add your website to your LinkedIn account. I'm going to show you one of the examples of what I'm talking about now. You can go to your LinkedIn, add your website there, and whenever anyone just go to your profile, they can just click on your website. You can, for example, now there's a way for you to link your website on your LinkedIn account, on your Facebook account, on your TikTok or your Instagram. Just make sure that you add the link to your website on those social media platforms. Now I'm going to show you one of the example I'm talking about now. There is contact info. That is it. You can see this is my website here. So if anybody just wanted to check my LinkedIn profile, just get there. You say, oh, this is a website. They will be eager to just open it and go to my website. Automatically, I'll get traffic to the website. So there's a lot of ways for you to get traffic to your website. What you need to do is just add your social media link to your website, and it's very easy. So guys, if you find this video helpful, click the like button, share, and drop a comment. Thank you guys.